I'm Gina from tinyhome.tours, and we are in Graham, Texas. We're at Excalibur Container, and I want to show you guys one of their custom models of a container home. Starting in the kitchen area, it's the first thing you notice right when you walk in. It's really simple, but it has everything you'll need, and it's also a really big kitchen space, which is nice. So you have a big countertop right here, your double-sided sink, which is really nice that you have a big sink space, a ton of cabinet storage for dishes and food beneath, more cabinet storage up above the countertop area, and then we have a 4-stove burner all the way on the right-hand side. This particular unit does not have an oven, but every container home they make can be customized however you want it. So as you can see, all of the bottom cupboards are double door, so you have a lot of room down here. It's a nice big area. And same with the cupboards up top. You've got some shelving in them on either side. Got some nice storage area there. At the far side of the kitchen, we have the fridge. So as you can see, it's a standard size for a normal home, and it doesn't really take up too much space because it's just tucked away in the corner over here. Right next to the fridge, we have the bathroom. You can actually close this off with a sliding door. So the bathroom is actually a really good sized bathroom. You have a full sink area with some cupboard room down below, a nice big mirror right above it. Next to that, you've got your standard shower, which is a pretty decent size, especially for this size of home. Next to the shower, we've got the toilet, and then right above it, you'll see that there's an on-demand hot water heater system. In the living area, this particular model is set up so it's open all the way through, so you have your couch and TV lounge area connected to the bedroom. When you first get into the living area, you've got the AC built right into the wall. Then we have the couch. Right across from the couch on either side of the living area are nice big windows. These windows have metal shutters built in, which are really important for if you're in Texas, for example, and there's a hailstorm, or to keep out animals, small mice, things like that. Right past the couch, we have a dresser area, and then you have space for a bed. This particular show model has the 2 bunk beds, but you could definitely put a regular size bed here as well. My favorite part about this container is the woodwork. You can see how the walls and all of the cupboards are made from real cedar, and the ceiling is made completely out of metal, which pairs really nicely with the cedar. These container homes are built for people that have remote properties, so they can leave them for months at a time. There is a metal bar on the door, and then the windows, as I said, have the shutters, so it helps keep it safe while you're away from the unit.
Thank you for watching AverageJoe.site. If you liked our content, please hit the subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. I don't like to say goodbye, so till next time, thanks. Peace and goodbye.